There is probably the world noticed Raccucarbus fortunei. We have grown them last summer and now is 22nd day in February and we would like to see what they seems to be. In Finland it's very cold winter this year. There is about 13 degrees below 0 Celsius. But we have put in our buildings heating system inside the buildings and of course in the ground. The place where we are living is about 6 kilometers from Nordic Circle, and today there is 1 degree Celsius above 0 and inside seems to be 9 degrees below 0, about 10 degrees. Let's go inside to see how the trees would be like today. It's very exciting. Oh, there is warm. And I open a little bit palms so I can see they are green, little bit brown, but they look very well. They look very well. I think so. This is one. I have 3 palms here, and the second one is here. Inside a little bit. Wait a minute, where I can open it so I can see are they green or not.